Smile.
Hi everybody, Beth Paiva here. I'm an educational consultant with Usborne Books and More. I want to take just a couple of minutes to show you some of the amazing offerings that Usborne has to use as homework helpers or in your homeschool curriculum. Let's start with some of our dictionaries. Illustrated Elementary Math and Illustrated Elementary Science. These are available right up through middle school, and they're a great reference book or reading book on many topics. Then of course we have just an illustrated dictionary, and even better, are Not Your Everyday Illustrated Thesaurus. It's a great tool for children that are just learning their synonyms and antonyms. When you get a little bit further and you need an older child's dictionary, check out the Illustrated Dictionary of Physics and the Illustrated Dictionary of Chemistry. Great references for high school. Encyclopedias. We have everything that ranges from our first encyclopedias right on up through world history, science, geography, all for high school level. Some great reference tools. If you're looking for more activity, especially writing, write your own storybook and write your own adventure stories. It also comes in write your own comics. It has great places for kids to write, but it also has questions and answers to guide them in writing, and then later they'll be writing their own stories. This is not a math book. Don't tell your kids it's a math book if they hate math. It's really all about how art and math come together. So as they go through the activities and they're drawing based on art, they'll be learning their math facts as they go. If drawing is their thing, check out Make Buildings. This is all about drawing. Stacking shapes, building a doghouse, drawing a pirate ship, and more. Activity books. One of my very favorites is our Wipe Clean series. It starts with things like ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, and beginning pen control, and it goes right on up through telling time and more older activities. Snip off a little hole here so you can pull the pen in and out. Take it to a restaurant, let them use it in the car. It keeps them busy, and it wipes clean for use over and over and over again. As they get a little bit older, things like lift the flap fractions and decimals. As they're learning and reading, they lift the flap to find their results. We have a lot of titles in this series. If you're looking for more reading books or reference titles, check out 100 Things to Know About Science, The Story of Science. It's also available in the Story of Astronomy and Space, and it's amazing. The Usborne Classical Music Reference Book, Time Traveler, which is history including medieval times, the Viking Age, the Roman world, and ancient Egypt, and it's amazing illustrations. One of my newest favorites, and this might be my new favorite Usborne book ever, Timelines of World History. It goes time period by time period, gives you great references and amazing illustrations. And last but not least, the Children's Picture Atlas. Great to fill a geography class, but also teaches things like what are maps, what's the difference between a country and a city, how do people get around the world, and what is the difference between the desert and the grassland. So if you're a homeschooler or you need some help with homework, let's chat about the interests of your children, their age, and what kind of topics you need coverage for. Thank you.